What's happening, everybody? Here it is, Jim. I am playing some drums and I'm having fun, and hopefully you are too. All right, so it is shoulder tip, and that is a technique, not this shoulder tip, but we have here shoulder tip. So when we're playing, we can do this forever. Amateur. But sometimes you do want that sound, but that's another thing. But if you get this feel of like, this hi-hat's not set up for me, so you definitely don't want to have it, so you have to compromise.
What's wrong with you?
To get the tip sound, but we got shoulder tip. And it's tricky first for us new learners, but if you get this down, there's a world of opportunity, of different sounds. And when you get into fast ride cymbal playing, you get that flow going, and it's much easier, so you don't tense out like this, okay?
You're crazy.
You don't want to tense out. So we're going to get shoulder tip, like that. Anyway, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2. And then discipline yourself. Too many times on the internet we play fast and flashy, the 2 Fs. Fast and flashy, then that equals failure. 3 Fs. Fast, flashy, fail, because we're not learning how to play in time, okay? So now I'm doing the same thing. 1. Did you notice in all my videos the bass drum's been on 1 and 3, but today's a special day. We have it on 1 and then on the and of 3. 1, 3. So it lines up with that tip, all right? If you're having some coordination issues, just go ahead and practice 2 limbs. 1 and 2 and 3 and do it where you're not even thinking about it. Or you are, because you're talking. 1 and, who's gonna edit this? Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and bass. 1 and snare and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Let me know. I am all about being thorough and at the same time enjoyable and fun, because you gotta have fun. That's how you get through the boring stuff. If you get bored, you get demotivated, and then we know what happens next. And what happens next is you might want to check out this video, because it will set you up for success if this one is a little tricky. And I'm gonna wish everyone well, but I'm just gonna jam out a little bit and play, because I have a master's degree in percussion. What? No, I'm not gonna include that, because who really cares? I care that I paid off my debt. And 2.